a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, I get up early in the morning. Then I go to washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After then, I go outside for morning work. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Taking a cup of tea, I start my work. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the evening, I usually visit around the town. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, drinking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I enjoy television along with my parents. At night, completing my homework, I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and that's all.